The rectangle A, B, C, D has a perimeter of 28 centimeters. Knowing that the side A, B is 2 centimeters longer in length than the side B, C, find the length of the diagonal AC. First, I'll draw a picture to show the information that I've been given in the question. I can write the length of BC as x centimeters, and if I know B is 2 centimeters longer, then I can say that AB is equal to x add 2 centimeters. I need to find the length of the diagonal AC. I can see that a right-angled triangle has been formed by ABC. So I can use Pythagoras theorem to help me find the length of the diagonal AC. AC squared is equal to AB squared add BC squared. Substituting the expressions into this equation gives me AC squared is equal to x add 2 squared plus x squared. Expanding x add 2 squared gives me AC squared is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus x squared. By collecting like terms, this simplifies to AC squared is equal to 2x squared plus 4x plus 4. To find AC, I need to find the square root of 2x squared plus 4x plus 4. This gives AC is equal to x plus 2x plus 2. This then simplifies to 3x plus 2. So, AC is 3x plus 2 centimeters in length. To find this as a number, I'm going to write an equation for the perimeter, which is 28 centimeters. 28 is equal to x plus 2 add x add 3x plus 2. This simplifies to 28 is equal to 5x plus 4. To solve this equation, I'm going to move 4 to the other side and change it to minus 4, so that 28 minus 4 equals 5x. This gives 24 is equal to 5x. To find the value of x, I need to divide by 5. This gives x is equal to 4.8. To get the length of AC, I will need to substitute x is equal to 4.8 back into 3x plus 2. So AC is equal to 3 multiplied with 4.8, add 2. This is equal to 16.4. So my final answer is AC is 16.4 centimeters long.